Hey YouTube, so y'all, I wanted to let y'all see this snow out here. This is off the charts deep. Like, as I'm walking, I hope I don't end up eating my own teeth. Here's my two kids shoveling. This is crazy. But I thought I would share this with y'all because I think everybody should experience a snowstorm once in a while. And if you can't be here for real, I thought I would just show y'all this. What's the matter, Christian? I know. He just said he just did this a minute ago. They did this morning, and it is like, I don't know, I guess it's 3 o'clock, and they did this morning at around 11. And this is how much it accumulated. Let me give y'all just a roundabout view how this looks. That is my Subaru. Let me not show y'all my own license plate number. Y'all can't be tracking me. I'm just kidding. So this is my car. This is by the garage. And this is the snow up the side of the car. This is, I'm telling y'all, this is crazy. Like, look at that. It's like my car got a mohawk or something. This is my neighborhood. Well, some of my neighborhood anyway. And this is my 2 troopers out here helping me. That's my shovel right there, y'all. I am helping. It's my 2 kids, Christian and Allison. Let me show you this one more time. This is crazy. I just thought I would get on here and show you guys the snow we've been playing in. And now we got to shovel and clean up our driveway. All right, YouTube. Peace.